No matter what skill it is that you want to learn, may it be cooking or bodybuilding, editing or communication, or even chess or learning to play an instrument. दुनिया में कोई भी skill अगर आपको सीखनी है as quick as possible, watch this video till the very end because I'm going to be breaking down the ultimate framework to learn any skill faster than everyone. So let's begin. So जो framework की मैं बात कर रहा हूँ is what I call the LEAD framework. Yes, the LEAD framework. LEAD stands for learn, execute, analyze and develop. Let's break it down. The first stage is learn. Obviously, कोई भी skill learning के लिए the first step will always be to learn about the particular skill. शुरुआत करो by learning, by understanding the very basics and very fundamentals of the skill that you want to acquire. The top 3 sources from which you can attain the necessary information is by watching YouTube videos, reading physical books, or enrolling into a course. The most important thing to keep in mind here is to not spend too much time learning. आपको ये first stage पे ज़्यादा time waste नहीं करना है. The goal of stage 1 is to only have a basic understanding of how the activity works. Stage 2, execute. The reason why I asked you to not spend too much time on learning is because आप कोई भी चीज के बारे में कितना भी सीख लो, कितनी भी बुक्स पढ़ लो या कितने भी वीडियोस देख लो, you won't actually learn anything. हमें लगता है कि कोई भी स्किल एक्वायर करने के लिए learning is the most important part. But in reality, the most effective way to master any skill is to simply start. Just start by doing the activity. Just take action and combine your learning with your execution. It won't help much अगर आप बस learn कर रहे हो without taking any action. But if you pair learning with execution, you will accelerate your growth to another level. Just for instance, you want to learn the skill of editing. अभी आप YouTube पे कितने भी how to edit videos देख लो, it won't actually help you much. The key here is to simply start editing. Start with the process. आपने अभी सॉफ्टवेयर ओपन किया है लेकिन आपको पता नहीं कि टेक्स्ट कैसे डालते हैं. Now you will go on to YouTube and you will search how to add text in Premiere Pro. आप वो वीडियो देखो, सीखो, now you come back and now you apply it onto your software. And there it is. You have just learned how to add text into a video. Now you keep on repeating this process for all the effects that you want to learn. Yeah, in fact, आपको कोई भी और skill सीखनी है, just go back and forth with learning and execution. Combining your learning process with immediate execution is the quickest way to learn any skill. So just take action. Stage 3, analyze. Mistakes are a crucial part of learning and this stage is all about acknowledging your mistakes and correcting them. जब भी आप कोई भी skill सीखना start कर रहे हो, you are gonna do most of the things wrong. आप बहुत सारे fuck ups करोगे, आप अपने आप को बहुत embarrass भी करोगे. You will make a lot of errors. But instead of getting demotivated and stopping the process altogether, understand the fact कि आपके failures and आपके errors are a crucial part of the learning process. They are meant to happen. So एक बार आप action लेना start कर दो, आप अपने आप को एनालाइज करो. वैरायटी के लिए इवन आस्क फॉर अदर पीपल्स क्रिटिसिज्म. एनालाइज करो कि आप कहाँ मिस्टेक्स कर रहे हो, एनालाइज करो कि और क्या बेटर हो सकता है. एंड वंस यू फाइंड योर मिस्टेक्स, स्टार्ट रिफाइनिंग देम. The last stage of this framework is develop. This is a stage जहाँ पर आप अपने errors को, अपनी mistakes को consciously समझ के उन्हें next trial में correct करो. आप अपनी skills को और enhance करो. This is a stage where you try to do what you have already done even better. You try to refine your skill, add your own touch-ups and make it even smoother. Dr. Maxwell Maltz in the book Psycho-Cybernetics states that all skill learning is accomplished by making a trial, missing the mark, consciously remembering the degree of error and making correction on the next trial until finally a successful attempt is accomplished. So there it is. This was the LEAD framework. And आपको personally guarantee देता हूँ कि दुनिया में आपको जो skill सीखनी है, you can use this framework to learn it as quick as possible. So go ahead, start learning and maybe share it with a friend who you think needs it. I'm ending this one here.